Have you ever wondered how your television is made? Welcome to the heart of this fascinating process, the largest TV factory in the world. This isn't just a production facility, it's a colossal marvel where innovation meets artistry, an intricate ballet of technology and human skill. Here, raw materials are transformed into the centerpieces of living rooms worldwide, the screens that bring families together, captivate audiences, and open windows to other worlds. This is where the magic happens, where countless hours of entertainment are born. This factory is a testament to human ingenuity, a place where cutting-edge technology and meticulous craftsmanship come together to create the televisions we use every day. Each television that comes out of this factory is a product of precision, a testament to the dedication of the workers who pour their expertise into every single piece. Each television goes through a meticulous process to ensure the highest quality. The assembly line is a symphony of precision and efficiency. Imagine a massive river of technological components flowing steadily and seamlessly. This is the heart of our operation, where the magic happens. On this line, a multitude of parts come together to form the televisions we use every day. It all starts with the intricate internal components, each one a marvel of engineering. Circuit boards, wiring, speakers, and many other pieces are meticulously assembled by our skilled technicians. These technicians are masters of their craft. They're the conductors of our symphony, guiding the harmony between human skill and machine efficiency. Their hands move with a rhythm honed by years of experience, assembling the internal components with a precision that is both beautiful and awe-inspiring. But they don't work alone. Alongside them, automated machines perform tasks with an accuracy and speed that is nothing short of astonishing. These machines, programmed to perfection, handle tasks such as soldering and attaching tiny components, tasks that require utmost precision. Together, the technicians and machines create a seamless dance of creation. Each component is carefully placed, each wire is perfectly connected, each screw is tightly secured. The process is a careful orchestration of human and machine working in perfect unison to create something greater than the sum of its parts. As the televisions move down the assembly line, they begin to take shape. What started as a collection of disparate parts slowly transforms into a cohesive whole, a television that is ready to bring entertainment and information into our homes. But the process doesn't end there. Once the televisions are assembled, they undergo a series of rigorous quality checks. These checks ensure that every television meets our exacting standards of quality and performance. It's a testament to our commitment to excellence, a commitment that ensures every television we produce is the best it can be. Skilled technicians work alongside automated machines to bring the televisions to life. It's a process that demands precision, efficiency, and a deep respect for the craft. And it's a process that we're proud to be a part of. Here, we produce the heart of the television, the display screens. This is where the magic happens, where the raw materials transform into the vibrant canvases that bring images to life in our living rooms, bedrooms, and beyond. The process begins with a simple sheet of glass. This isn't your ordinary window pane glass, though. It's a special type, engineered to be incredibly thin, yet remarkably sturdy. We then apply a layer of pixels, those tiny dots that light up to form the images you see. Each pixel is like a little painter working tirelessly to create the perfect shade of color at just the right moment. But here's where the real marvel of technology comes in. Each screen is composed of millions of these pixels, and they all have to work in harmony to create a cohesive image. Imagine an orchestra with millions of musicians, each playing their part to create a symphony of light and color. And you'll begin to grasp the complexity of what's happening inside your television screen. Of course, with such a delicate and intricate process, quality control is paramount. Each screen undergoes rigorous checks to ensure it meets our exacting standards. We look for uniformity in color and brightness across the entire screen. We also check for dead pixels, those tiny dots that have failed to light up. These are like the off-key musicians in our orchestra, disrupting the harmony of the image. Our technicians use advanced equipment to detect even the smallest imperfections. They're like the conductors of our pixel orchestra, ensuring every pixel is playing its part perfectly. If they find a pixel that's not performing as it should, they can replace it or repair it, ensuring that the final image is as stunning as it's meant to be. And that's how we ensure that the heart of your television, the display screen, is in perfect condition. Any imperfections are swiftly identified and corrected. We won't settle for anything less than perfect because we know that's what you, the viewer, deserve. So the next time you're watching your favorite show or movie, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of technology that's working behind the scenes, bringing you every pixel of light and color. We test each television extensively to ensure it meets our strict standards. These aren't mere words, but a commitment to quality that drives the operations at this mammoth television factory. Every television that passes through our hands undergoes a series of meticulous tests, designed to push it to its limits and ensure it's ready for anything. The first of these is the color calibration test. This is where we ensure that the shades of colors you see on your screen are as accurate and vivid as they can be. Think about the lush green of a rainforest or the deep blue of an ocean. We want to make sure you're seeing these colors as nature intended. Next up, we have the motion tests. These are particularly crucial for all you sports and action movie enthusiasts out there. We check that the motion on the screen is smooth and free of any stutter or lag. This way, you won't miss a single moment of that nail-biting chase sequence or that crucial goal in the final seconds of the match. And let's not forget about sound checks. After all, what's a great picture without great sound, right? We play a variety of sounds through the TV's speakers, checking for clarity, depth, and range. We want to ensure that the roar of a crowd or the subtle notes of a symphony are delivered to your living room with the utmost fidelity, but the testing doesn't stop there. We also check the TV's overall performance, including its energy efficiency, remote control responsiveness, and even the sturdiness of its stand. We leave no stone unturned when it comes to making sure your television is as perfect as can be. This attention to detail, this dedication to quality is what sets us apart. It's a labor of love, a testament to our commitment to creating the best televisions in the world. The testing process ensures that every television that leaves the factory meets the expectations of consumers worldwide. And that's a promise we intend to keep. Once the TVs pass all the quality checks, they are carefully packaged and prepared for shipment. It's a process that showcases the factory's commitment to ensuring each television arrives in perfect condition, no matter where in the world it's destined to go. The packaging process begins with the television being carefully encased in a specially designed protective bag. This bag helps to prevent any dust or debris from coming into contact with the TV, thus keeping it clean and pristine. Next, the television is nestled into a custom-built box, designed to fit snugly around the TV. This box is not just an ordinary box, it's a sturdy fortress, engineered to withstand the rigors of transportation. The corners of the box are reinforced and the interior is lined with a shock-absorbent material, providing an added layer of protection against bumps and knocks. Once the television is safely tucked inside its box, it's time for the labeling process. Each TV is given a unique identification number and barcode, which allows for easy tracking and identification. The labels also provide crucial information such as the model number, the country of destination, and special handling instructions. With the labeling complete, the packaged televisions are then loaded onto pallets, ready for their journey to various corners of the globe. Each pallet is strategically arranged to maximize space and ensure the safe transportation of the TVs. These pallets of packaged televisions are then moved to the distribution center, a bustling hub where they are sorted and loaded onto trucks, trains, planes, and ships, ready to embark on their journey to consumers around the world. The packaging is designed to safeguard the TVs during transportation, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition at their destination. It's a testament to the dedication and care that goes into every step of the production process. From the assembly line to the moment the television arrives at your doorstep, ready to bring entertainment and joy into your home. From this factory, TVs are shipped to various corners of the globe, bringing entertainment and joy to millions of households. The seeds of this joy are sown right here in the heart of the factory, where raw materials metamorphose into the televisions we all know and love. It's a journey of transformation powered by innovation and human ingenuity. From the assembly line to the rigorous quality testing, each step is an essential cog in the wheel of production. These televisions, born out of precision and care, become central to our lives, serving as a window into the world of entertainment, news, and information. They grace living rooms, bedrooms, and even restaurants and airports, connecting us to the world, one pixel at a time. So, the next time you enjoy your favorite shows or movies on your TV, remember the intricate process and the dedicated workers who bring these devices to life.